Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi because AirPlay depends on local network discovery. Once done, enable AirPlay on the TV so it is discoverable. This wakes the receiver and opens the handshake. Now on your MacBook Air, click Control Center or the display icon in the menu bar to reveal screen mirroring controls. You're starting the connection here. Selecting the correct target is the essential first actionable step to proceed. You now pick the device name that appears. Choosing it initiates the AirPlay session. Once connected, make sure to choose whether to mirror your built-in Retina display or use the TV as a separate display for extra screen space, because that changes how Mac OS handles resolution and window placement. Then open Sound and Displays in System Settings to confirm output and scaling. This ensures crisp video and correct audio routing. If latency matters, lower resolution. To finish, return to Control Center and click Screen Mirroring to stop AirPlay. This cleanly releases the receiver. If you run into lag or sudden disconnects, make sure to restart your Wi-Fi router or reduce the streamed resolution because network congestion is the most common cause. If the Mac doesn't see the device at all, verify firewall settings, enable Bluetooth discovery, and restart both devices. That resolves most visibility issues quickly. One key tip: reboot the receiving device before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.